Just want to make a quick video, man. Got an iPod Touch here. It's my daughter's iPod, and I don't know if anybody else is having this problem with it. Um, okay, when you try to play a video, just play any video, and you start to play it, and the sound just goes out, or the volume bar isn't there at all. You see how it disappeared? Now it's back. And every time it disappears, the sound goes out. See? Then it goes back out. I don't know what that is. I guess it's just a software problem. But I called Apple, and I guess I'm just gonna have to send it to him. And he said they either try to fix it or replace it. So I don't know if any of you out there know what the problem is. Just, I guess, leave me a comment, or maybe it's something I can do myself, without having to send it to him. But yeah, just leave a comment if you have a clue what's going on, and thanks in advance.